Good morning. I am Kaushal Perera and I am from Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a small nation with a big heart. Even though Sri Lanka is small in size, but we are rich in our history, culture, diversity and natural beauty. Most of the people call it as Pearl of the Indian Ocean, and I believe that the name fits perfectly. Our history goes back over 2500 years. We have ancient places in Anuradhapura, Polonnaruwa and Sacred Temple of the Tooth Relic in Kandy. Sri Lanka is a home for many religions such as Buddhism, Hinduism, Islam and Christianity. We are known for our golden beaches in Mirissa, Arugambe, green mountains in Alla, Nuwara, tea plantation in hill country. The world famous Ceylon tea is grown. I warmly invite all the nationalities to visit Sri Lanka, taste our food, have a chat with our people and discover our history. You won't just find a home, you will find a home away from home. Stuti.